Hello, Assalamu alaikum friends. Welcome back to my new tutorial of our TIA portal. So in this video we are going to discuss about the selection of our HMI for our PLC. So you will see I am going to show you. First of all, you will see my TI portal has been opened, and now I am going to open my block. First of all, I am going to show you about device configuration. So you will see our PLC has a Profinet, means Ethernet port. So if we want to use our DPI, DP means there are also two ports in HMI, which is called Profinet and DP, and DP means MPI, Profibus port. But in PLC you will see in 300 PLC there was a DP port, and in 1200 PLC there was a Ethernet port. So if we want to connect a means a Profibus or MPI HMI to our S71200 PLC, so we need a Profibus port for our PLC. So in that video you will see the PLC don't have a Profibus port. So if I am going to connect to it, so I am going to use a communication. You will see I have a Profinet, so I am going to add a Profinet in it. So you will see my PLC is also have a Profinet port. Now I am going to show you. First of all, I am going to schematic panels, and you will see if I am going to any PLC, any HMI like KTP1000, so you will see that model have a Profibus MPI DP port, but don't a Profinet. But you will see that model have a Profinet port. So if our PLC have a Profinet port, so we will use a Profinet HMI for communication to our PLC. If our PLC have MPI Profibus port, so we use a Profibus PLC for our communication. But you will see I have both HMI have a Profinet port because my CPU has, so I am going to use a Profibus to add it. So you will see our PLC. Now I am going to browse my PLC, and you will see, because you will see it's create a Profinet Profinet communication. So I have only need to select only one screen. I don't need many screens to show you about different things. So first of all, I am just discussing about the communication. So you will see our PLC has added, HMI has added, and now you see because that HMI has a Profinet, so it will connect it to our S71200 to a Profinet port. But if I am going to select the DP, so I need a DP module, which I already added before. So I need a DP module. So that's how we select an HMI for our PLC. I am going to show you another that how I need a DP port. So how we can do that. So now I'm going to select my DP, and I'm going to browse my PLC. So you will see it will connect it to our PLC, and I'm going to finish that. And I am going to my device network. So you will see it is connected to our DP because that HMI have a DP port. So I don't need to use a DP because we only need a Profinet HMI to communicate to our PLC. I am just going to delete that, and you will see our Profibus Profibus module are now deleted. So you will see I only add our HMI of KTP and KTP1000P and Profinet port to simulate to with my PLC. Now you will see That's how the network link are communicate with it. So I'm going to just show you how it is going to communicate. Just drag and drop to your PLC. Now you will see a communication has been declared. So that's how we select an HMI for our PLC and added our HMI for and seeing configuration, what configuration supports for our PLC to our HMI. So thank you very much. This is my just intro video for our HMI. I am going to start lessons on HMI. So let's see what I am doing in more future videos. So thank you very much for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel, like my video and click the bell icon below.